Today I'm going to do a step-by-step absolute beginner's guide to this, the Eldredge Knot. Now, some people think this is the most complicated knot in the world. It consists of 15 moves, so that may be why people think that. But if we break it down into two sections, the bottom section and the top section, it's actually really simple, and I'm going to get you doing it really quickly. So, step-by-step, beginner's guide to the Eldredge Knot, starting now. The first step's actually to work out how long we want the tie to be. Because it's all tied with the thin end of the tie, we start off by marking out the length of the tie, the blade at the front. So we pull it down to the desired length and then we leave it there. Next step is to put the dimple in place. So we do this by putting a pinch there and a pinch there. Pull that across to the middle and pull the tail, the thin end, across, round the back, up the front and down the neck hole. That's the first step. That locks the dimple in place and leaves us with that shape at the front. The tail comes across at the back and across the front. We're then going to feed it up through the neck hole and loosely down to the right. Leave it nice and loose at this point and go under the back and take the end of the tail and feed it through that loop that we just created on the right. Tug it gently to tighten that bit up. And that's the whole of the bottom section completed. And now we move on to the top section. And we start off by taking the tail and feeding it down the neck hole. And then the rest is really simple. All we do is we go feed it up and tuck down the middle. And again, round, up. And then this last loop that we've just created, we use that to tuck the tail through. And then we tighten it like that, tug to tighten, and then hold on to the middle of the knot, hold on to the blade, and just cinch it up to the collar. Fold the loose tail around the side of the collar. So that is the Eldredge Knot. What do you think? It's a great knot for a wedding or a special occasion. It's not really a knot for wearing to the office. I think it's too much of a distraction to be for an occasion where you want to be taken seriously, like a business meeting. But for the right occasion, a party, a wedding, a special occasion where you want it to be something of a talking point, I think it's a great knot and very easy to learn. Now, let me know what you think. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to answer, and give it a go and let me know how you get on. Till next time, take care. I'll see you soon.